আর আজ আমরা ঘুরতে আসছি পুরী, সেই দূরে পাহাড়ে যাবো আমরা।
Guys, today we are here for watching that waterfall. Have a look at this. It's nice environment. And we are going there to watch that waterfall. It's look like very good. We listen. So start right now here. And as we can see here, small canal and a river, small river. And water are bypass here. Have a look at this. So many people are enjoying here and made fun for each others. We are also joined with them. So many people here for busy taking selfie. Have a look at this. This guy are busy for taking selfie. So our journey start here to go to top of this mountain. Have a look at this. Now we are come middle of the mount. Have a look at. Now we are top of the mount. Have a look at that view. So it's very lovely view. Weather is rainy weather, and have a look at this. There have some cow, and they are come here for eating grasses. Have a look at this view. It's very nice.
Your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold.
So guys, now we are top of the mount, and look at this view. It's very beautiful and very nice. People are looking just small, and houses are looking very small. So it's very nice environment. When I top of the mount, look at that. And we are going there for take a bath, and we are there enjoy. Now we are over the waterfall, and I will look at the view, and it's very nice. So guys, we are finally close to the waterfall. I will look at the view, and so many people here to watch waterfall, and weather is bad because raining falling down, and environment so beautiful and very nice today.
Wow! What a nice place!
Many people here busy for taking bath, and busy for taking selfie. Have a look at this. We are here, guys. Watch this waterfall. Have a look at this. Just one step, guys, just one step. We are close to this waterfall and watch this waterfall. If you stay with me, you can see this waterfall and enjoy. Look at this view. So let's see and enjoy this environment. Okay. So and have a look at this waterfall. It's very beautiful. So many people here under this waterfall and they are taking bath. It's very nice. Very nice. Nice environment. If you come here, you also can enjoy here because so many people come here for enjoy and looking this waterfall and they are taking bath here and enjoy. Everybody, every person enjoy here and looking each other. And I also enjoy here making this video. Have a look at this and this environment is very beautiful and this waterfall is so beautiful, so elegant and just looking wow. And people are enjoy here taking bath under this waterfall. Have a look at this. So many people here busy for taking selfie and making video. I also busy. So have a look at this view and people enjoy here. Very nice. Radhe Radhe.
I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart. One and only broken angel. Come and save me before I fall apart. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart. ये पर्दा हटा दो जरा मुखड़ा दिखा दो ये पर्दा हटा दो जरा मुखड़ा दिखा दो हम प्यार करने वाले हैं कोई गैर नहीं अजी हम तुम पे मरने वाले हैं कोई गैर नहीं
Every person enjoy here. They are doing enjoy here. And I also busy making this video and just look how to enjoy here. Have a look at this. Radhe Radhe.